Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. It is so beautiful here in Tennessee, and we are enjoying a nice walk together, minus Dustin, and it is just so beautiful out. 2020 has been quite interesting, as all of you know, and it's been really sad for a lot of people.
Mommy?
Ah!
Mommy?
Spider.
Mommy?
Yeah?
You want to see how fast I could go?
I do. "2020 has been really rough on everyone, and there's a lot to be sad about and a lot to be mad about, but every day is a gift, and I think this year has proven how important it is to not take any day for granted. Whether we have a pandemic or not, there's so much negativity around us, and it's important to always look on the bright side. So this year is our second year, just our family, just our immediate family, the 5 of us. And as much as we would love to be with our extended family, it's really nice to just kind of soak in and have the time to think about how thankful we are. So we hope that all of you are doing the same and enjoying whoever you're with, and you're happy and you're healthy, and most importantly, thankful for today.
And I thank for my family and friends, and for Daddy to feel better.
Yeah.
And I thankful for having a pie.
Yeah.
Am I thankful for that Jesus tapped on the cross for us, and then that us could eat healthy, and that us could have a nice reward for Jesus and us.
Yeah, that's so sweet, Ezra.
Can you take
Alright folks, this is what we do in the Blues house. When we only have 5 people to eat pie, we can't make 2 full pies, otherwise it'll go to waste. So we divide it in half, and this is the result of 1 apple and 1 banana. No bake.
We're spending Thanksgiving here in Hohenwald, Tennessee. It is a beautiful sunny day. I don't know the actual temperature because I'm not getting any good cell reception right now, but it is really nice. Sarah's at home cooking. Brought the kids out for a quick walk, get some energy out, enjoy this weather. Are you enjoying it? Yeah. One of our favorite appetizers, beet bruschetta.
Thank you for inviting for us. Thank you for our food. Thank you for everything we did today. And for this nice day. Amen. Amen.
Thank you.
Since the Blues are known for being non-traditional, we went with ham instead of turkey. We have some mashed potatoes, and this is a cabbage dish. I don't know what it's called. Some type of cabbage dish. It's
I don't know either.
Cabbage gabagool. Really good. Are you thankful for that cracker? Yeah. Yeah? Are you thankful for that graham cracker? Yeah. All right, going in for round 2. I gotta save some room for pie. Are you guys gonna have pie?
Oh, I forgot to give you the cranberry sauce.
Yuck. We don't eat cranberry sauce in this family. Nora, do we eat cranberry sauce? No, I'm not the Blues Travelers.
Other people do it.
Other people do it.
Have you ever had it? Have you actually
I
tried
think
it?
like when I was a kid.
I bet you'd like it.
Probably. I'm afraid of it. Another successful Thanksgiving dinner in our stomachs. This is our 2nd year having Thanksgiving in the RV. And the twins are really looking forward to this pie. All right, we're having dessert. Should we turn on some Christmas music?
But hey, happy Thanksgiving song.
Thanksgiving songs?
Okay, sit down.
Because it's
You want some?
Oh, good thinking. I was getting ahead of ourselves.
You want some?
You guys are funny. Wow, you guys play so quietly.
Look at the camera.
Oh, is that a cheeseburger on the table?
Look at the camera. Yeah.
Cheese. Money.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.